Well, we live in the Plus world, so why not Chromebook Plus? Chromebook Plus, more performance and AI capabilities just announced from Google. Alright, so more than 10 years ago, Google announced or created Chromebooks to bring easy-to-use computers that are reliable, performance, unmatched security, I agree, and quite affordable. Double the performance with these new machines with built-in Google apps and powerful AI capabilities, also including Google Photos, Magic Eraser, and Adobe Photoshop. Alright, designed to get more done. An example, here's the Acer 15.6-inch display, Intel Core i3 or more, 8 gigs of RAM or more, or 128 gigabytes of storage or more. And these are the minimum specs. Again, the Intel Core i3, 12th gen or above, Ryzen 3 or above, 8 gigs of RAM or above, and so on. I did notice the web camera with temporal noise reduction. Didn't I hear that on Star Trek Picard? Video calls are even better. Okay. So, of course, you can use Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and others. So, in addition to equipping each Chromebook Plus with a 1080p camera, new Chromebooks have built-in AI to enhance calls, clarity and lighting, cancel background noise, and blur backgrounds. All right, so they mentioned the apps here. They mentioned Adobe Express, LumaFusion, Adobe Photoshop. LumaFusion, I believe, is the new video editor for Chromebooks. And we have some more features coming in 2024. And get yours starting October 8th. And oh, what's this? In addition to new Chromebook Plus devices, some existing Chromebooks will qualify for an OS update to include the enhanced features found on Chromebook Plus devices. Well, that's interesting. You know what's amazing about all this isn't just the price, but keep in mind 10 years of guaranteed updates or more. That's entirely up to Google. 10 years to get these wonderful Linux-powered machines, never have to worry about maintenance or malware. 10 years starting at $399. I don't know, guys, what do you think about all this? This is actually a pretty good deal. There is no other Linux machine out there that gives you this at this affordable price. Okay, I'm done. It's morning. Going back to my Ubuntu's, playing with this and some coffee. Catch you later.